To use Zendesk for customer service, follow these steps. Sign up and set up Zendesk. Go to Zendesk and sign up for an account. Choose a plan that suits your business needs. After signing up, you'll be guided through basic setup, including company details, branding, and preferences. Create a help center. Use Zendesk guide to set up a help center with articles, FAQs, and knowledge-based content. This allows customers to find answers to common questions before reaching out for support. Set up tickets. Zendesk operates on a ticket-based system. When a customer contacts you, their inquiry is automatically converted into a ticket. Configure the support channels from which Zendesk will capture tickets. Organize tickets. Use ticket views and tags to categorize and prioritize customer inquiries. Assign tickets to the right team members based on skills or department. Use automations and triggers. Set up automated workflows to manage ticket responses, such as sending automatic replies or escalating urgent issues. Monitor and analyze. Zendesk provides real-time reports and analytics to check performance, customer satisfaction, and agent productivity. Use this data to improve support processes.